Personalized wind chimes as wedding gift. Give a wedding gift that lasts with personalized wind chimes. Finding that perfect wedding gift is no picnic. There are so many wedding gift items available today that you could search for hours in your local department store or on the web trying to find a great wedding gift. Perhaps the reason buying a wedding gift is so difficult is because it must have all these characteristics: personal, liked by both the bride and groom, useful, meaningful, unique, and don't forget, affordable. Fortunately, a personalized wind chime will fit into all these criteria and beyond. Custom engraved wind chimes as personal and meaningful gifts. One often doesn't think of wind chimes as being very personal. But when the wind chimes have the bride and groom's names and a caring message from you engraved on it, it becomes a very meaningful wedding gift. You can have a short personal message engraved on the wind chime to express your joy for their marriage. It's like having your card and gift wrapped in one neat package. Personalized wind chimes can be a keepsake for many years to come. Every time the wind blows, the newlyweds will hear the soothing sounds of the wind chimes and remember that most precious day, their wedding day. Personalized wind chimes as a useful gift. Another reason personalized wind chimes make a great wedding gift is because they are useful and add beauty to the couple's home. They can be hung anywhere outdoors, on the front or back porch, patio, near a window or swing, in a tree or in a garden. A beautiful, engraved wind chime will enhance the couple's home decor while providing relaxing sounds in the breeze. Buy yours at http://www.windchimesfreeshipping.com. A gift for two. One reason it can be difficult to select a wedding gift is because so many gift items are meant for either a man or woman, but rarely both. A personalized wind chime is something they both will enjoy. Wind chimes come in different sizes so you can choose just the right size for their porch or patio. You can also choose from several different wind chime sounds to create just the right harmony for the new couple's home. Personalized wind chimes are unique. Wedding couples receive more than enough photo albums and picture frames, housewares, candle holders, etc. These are all wonderful gifts, but they are also common to almost all weddings. You want to give a wedding gift that's unusual, romantic, and personal. Personalized wind chimes might be the answer. With your personal message engraved on the wind plate, the wind chimes will be treasured by the couple. Wind chimes are rarely seen as wedding gifts, so your gift will really stand out. Not a seasonal gift. Whether the wedding takes place in fall, spring, summer or winter, an engraved wind chime will make a fantastic wedding gift any time of the year. Wind chimes are useful and decorative year-round and usually can remain in place throughout the entire year. So, the couple will be able to enjoy their gift right away no matter what the season at the time of their wedding. Personalized wind chimes make an affordable wedding gift. Many personalized wedding gifts are very expensive. You could spend $500 or more on a really nice engraved item. A benefit of buying personalized wind chimes is they are affordable, even those that are hand-tuned and of the finest of quality. You can find small wind chimes that are both beautiful and durable for as little as $50, or larger ones for around $120 to $250. That's a great bargain for an engraved gift that's also practical for everyday living. Online shopping for personalized wind chimes. Instead of going from store to store looking for that perfect wedding gift, you can buy personalized wind chimes online and save time and money. The item can be shipped right to your door so you never have to leave your home to find a thoughtful wedding gift. At many online wind chime gift sites, you can even opt to have the wind chimes wrapped in gift wrapping paper to match the occasion and include a gift card with the package. Ideas for wedding gift wind chimes. Here are just a few ideas to help make your wind chime gift as special as it can be. Instead of a message from yourself, write a wedding poem to have engraved on the Windchimes wind plate. Just a sentence or two will do, depending on how much engraving space is available. Be sure to include the bride and groom's names. Package the Windchimes with another gift item such as a live plant or flower. You can also include a decorative welcome plate or sign with the couple's last name engraved on it that they can hang beside the entrance door. Other ideas include gift certificates to spend during the honeymoon, a wedding gift basket containing goodies for snacking on the wedding night, etc. With personalized wind chimes, you can give a gift that the couple will remember for many years to come. They can reminisce about their wedding day each time the wind chimes play a song. Don't forget to like our video.